And now, nandito naman tayo sa The Pavilion. Dito yung clubhouse natin and yung mga amenities natin. So, si Edesha is meron tayong shuttle services. Tara! Dito, meron tayong gym, swimming pool, basketball court, badminton court, and playgrounds. So, ito yung gym natin, indoor, and meron tayong outdoor. Yan. Ito guys, yung Edesha Dasma, which is community na siya. Ito yung nag-start noong 2018.